Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, where makeup is the passion and so is fashion. Today I'm doing a haul of some shoes, mostly of Steve Madden, and one of Uggs. So let's start off with the Steve Madden shoe, and this one is, so far it's going to be my favorite out of all of them. I got 4 pairs of shoes, 3 Steve Maddens and 1 Uggs. Let's see what the name of this one is called. And this is called the Mirabella. I think that's how you say it. Mirabella. And this is how it looks. It's faux pearls. Isn't it pretty? Now I've been looking for shoes with pearls on it, but all the ones that I had been viewing were not to my liking. Could not stand them, did not like them. They looked cheap. But these here, when I saw them, they were very pretty, and it just called out to me. And it was the last one, and I was not about to let it pass me by. In fact, all these shoes, except for the Uggs, was the last one for my size. And I usually wear 6.5, but I buy 7.5 for just in case my feet swell up, I can still fit into my shoes. So these are 7.5. And this is what it looks like. Brand new. No one has worn them. Got them directly from the store. Now, I think I paid under 100 because it was on sale. So probably like $99. That's what I paid for them. I got them on sale. I think that's what I paid for them. Can't be too for sure. But isn't it pretty? Those are so pretty. Alright. Now these here, also Steve Madden's, as you can see from the name. And the name of these are Norella. See if you can see that name. Norella. Anyways, I had a pair of shoes similar to these. And my aunt had came down to visit because my brother was being ordained as a minister. And she came down to visit and she had no shoes. So I had a pair similar to these, but they were very expensive. And they were lower heels. These are higher heels. And the ones that I had were like pumps, kitten heels, basically. And I let her borrow them, but when I seen them on her feet, they looked so good on her feet, I let her keep them, thinking that I could find another pair to substitute for the ones that I gave to her. Well, I could buy in the same family, the same shoes, the same company, the same designer. I could get back those shoes again, just brand new, and let her have those. Well, it was not to be. Those shoes were no longer being made. So I went without. So I've been looking for a pair of those shoes for the longest. And they just do not make them anymore. So this was the closest I could get was these Steve Maddens with a higher heel instead of kitten heel. And I have fibromyalgia, so walking in heels is kind of hard for me. But I'm going to force myself to learn how to walk in heels again. That's all I used to wear. Even when I was going to school to be a medic, I used to walk in heels. That one of the girls said to me, she said she wondered who it was that was behind her who could walk in heels and walk really fast in heels. In fact, could run in heels and not fall over and not fall and not make a misstep or anything. And when she turned around each time, it was me running in heels or walking in heels and not falling over. And she just thought that was so in awe. So I wear heels even even when I was in going to school to be a medic. So by me being diagnosed with fibromyalgia, it took away from my ability to really walk in heels. But I'm about to force myself to learn how to walk in heels. I'm about to get past that. I'm about to train myself again. Because I love my heels. So this is about the closest I got to them. And I like them. Alright, these here are also Steve Maddens. Now I got these here. Okay. These here were also I think I paid 120 for these. These were on sale. These two were on sale. All these shoes were on sale except for the Uggs. So I got these here for these ones on here, and these ones are called the Comet, and I got them for, I want to say 107, 108. They were on sale, and summertime will be here soon, and these were on sale because it's no longer summer, it's winter. So I thought I'd best buy them while they was on sale and get rid of them because summer will be back, and these are seem to be in style for the last 3 summers, the last 3 years. So I thought, why not? Now I wanted the black ones. Now here's the thing, because I think it's Moschino has the white ones that I've been wanting for the longest, and they always sell out every summer before I can even get my hands on them. And I was like, okay, well, I want the Mosquitos, and I'm gonna wait for the Mosquitos. And so I thought, okay, well, while I'm waiting for the Mosquitos to come up again, which they're up again, but they're not in my size, so they sold out of my size again. I said, well, why not just go for the Steve Madden's ones? Completely different style. I mean, it's in white, but I wanted the black ones when I saw the black ones. The black ones were sold out. It just seemed like whatever color I want, whatever make I want, it's always sold out. Uh, it's not to be. So I decided to go with the white ones. These are still cute. Yeah, these are still cute. As you see, brand new. So my credit card took a ding. I think everything, like, okay, everything here, all these shoes came out to be, well, I'll tell you at the end. So these are the Uggs, and the name of these Uggs are, let me see if I can see the name of them. Brooklyn Sunburst. And this is the make and model of them. The boots. Now, every year, I buy myself a Ugg for every season. Well, every year I buy myself a Ugg. And this year I bought this style Uggs. I haven't seen anyone with them so far. And that's what I like. I don't like the ones that, like I've been watching what I got for Christmas, my Christmas haul, and all that. And everybody's got the same style Uggs. I don't like them. I'm not going to even sit here and lie. I don't like them. I think if someone had bought them for me, I would take them. I would wear them once or twice, being nice and kind. But I don't like them. And the fact that everybody got them, I don't like them even more so. They're not cute. So I like something that everybody doesn't have. And I haven't seen anyone online with these here yet. And I'm digging these. I like to get the Uggs that nobody else is wearing just yet. And I go to a special store. So I go, like, these here, I haven't seen a line just yet for any of them. And I go to a special store just to get my shoes, just for that purpose. I just want something that's not commercially being overly used. But I like these here Uggs. They're so pretty. But I will leave the name of the store that I shop with. If I don't forget, if I do forget, just hit me up in the message down below, and I will leave the name of the company down below for you guys to go to shop at. And you will see they have different shoes that you just don't see commercially being sold. And you'll be like, dang, she's right. These are cute, because there's a lot of people that shop there, but you don't see it commercially on YouTube or anything else. It's like a little secret store, but it's a secret store that people shop at because they sell out real quick and fast as soon as they get them. So it is known, but it's not commercially. No. And so this is how the back of the Uggs look. So these are so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm going to enjoy wearing these. Yes, I am. Let's see. Can we see the name in there? Yeah, I got the Shirling. I think that's what it is. The Uggs. Alright. Now, I said I would tell you how much everything came out to be. Everything, all 4 pairs of shoes, cost me on sale $589. This is what it all came out to be. That's a bargain. $589 with tax. $589 because I got shipping for free. Nay, aren't these so pretty? These are so pretty. Anyways, depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.